Welcome, digital explorers, to another episode of Global Crypto AI Pulse. I'm Ananya, your guide through this volatile wilderness. Today, we track the movements of a rare apex predator, the veteran macro investor Dan Tapiero. He possesses a secret so profound, so earth-shattering, that most retail investors would rather eat their hardware wallets than hear it. Dan didn't just spawn in a Discord server. He spent 30 years in the high-stakes world of traditional finance. He saw the breakdown of the legacy system and realized Bitcoin was just better gold. Digital scarcity minus the heavy lifting. So what is the secret? Is it a complex algorithm? A hidden Telegram group? No, it's boredom. Dan's advice is to buy it and forget it. For 10 years, he calls it savings technology. Retailers call it torture. The market is designed to shake you out. It wants your coins, it feeds on your panic. Dan just doesn't care. He sees a generational shift. A $50 trillion ecosystem. Why trade the daily noise when you're riding a tidal wave? But Dan doesn't just buy tokens. He buys the infrastructure, the picks and shovels. He calls it growth equity. He avoids the venture trap, startups looking for a soul. He wants companies with real revenue, like Ledger or Kraken. He won't pay more than 10 times revenue. This discipline let him dodge the nuclear bombs of FTX and Celsius. Smart move, Dan. And now the plot thickens. Dan is pivoting hard toward the convergence of AI and blockchain. He believes in agentic money, autonomous AI agents doing trillions of transactions on-chain. Because robots don't use JP Morgan. Stablecoins are already settling 10 trillion a year. The on-chain economy isn't the future, it's the present. It just hasn't put on a tie yet. So, what have we learned from our observation of the Tapiero in his natural habitat? Patience isn't just a virtue, it's a wealth strategy. Crypto is the easiest place to make money and the hardest place to keep it. The secret is the stomach to hold. It's the boring path to millions. No moonshots, no leverage, just waiting. Deeply unsatisfying for the average Deegan. But for Dan, it's a math problem. Macro conviction plus valuation discipline equals, well, a lot of zeros. Next time you're tempted to trade your bag because of a tweet, ask yourself, what would Dan do? He'd probably go for a walk. The $50 trillion shift is happening. Whether you're a human or a rogue AI agent, the infrastructure is being built right now. The secret is out. Now the question is, can you handle the boredom? Most can't. And that's why Dan wins. From gold to Bitcoin, from venture to growth, the macro story remains the same. Find value, buy it, and wait. This has been another scholarly deep dive into the apex predators of finance. I'm Ananya, signing off from the digital jungle. Remember, in the world of crypto, the only thing faster than the gains is the speed at which people lose their cool. Don't be that person. Oh look, another emergency price drop? Dan is probably taking a nap right now. A very expensive macro-convicted nap. Wealth doesn't grow on trees, but it does grow in well-architected digital ecosystems. If you give it enough time, is it 2034 yet? No? Fine. I guess I'll just keep being scholarly and humorous in the meantime. It's a living. Macro, infrastructure, AI, and patience. The 4 pillars of the Tapiero method. Simple to say, impossible for your cousin to follow. Stay boring, stay wealthy, and stay curious. See you in the next block. Global Crypto AI Pulse out.